Alrighty guys, so this is Andrew here at the Kia store in Clarksville. I'm going to show you how to use the navigation on the 2020 Kia models. So whenever you're at your home screen, it's going to look like this whenever they have navigation on them. All you got to do is click this frame here, and it's going to pull up your navigation. Now if you want to search something, you can click right here. This here is just asking if you want to hook up your UVO to the GPS, which I don't have it hooked up right now, so I'm going to go ahead and press no. If you want to add your home in here, you can just click add home. Go to places right here on your screen, and that's the same UVO thing that popped up just a minute ago. So you just be at this screen here, and you can actually type in your address. So we can look up the address here, which is 826 East Lewis and Clark Parkway. And it's going to search for that destination in your GPS. So then once you actually find it, it's going to pop up on here. Now you can actually click this button here and then press done, and now that's set as your home device. Now if you want to add a work, you can go in here and do the same thing. It's going to pop up your UVO reminder as well. Now you can type in your workplace, and then that's going to pop up to where if you come in here and you're at work and you want to go home, you want to find out what the traffic is, you can press home. If you're at home and you want to find out what the traffic is like going to work, you can press work. Now getting back out here to the main screen of this, you can press your menu button here. It's going to actually show you your route, so you can edit your route. Map display, you can actually change it into the 3D map, heading up, north up, and you can actually go to your nearby points of interest as well. So right here I have fast food just highlighted. If you can tell right here, you can see Wendy's here, KFC is here, Subway is here, so you can actually see all the different fast foods that's around you. You can actually change that as well to gas stations, and now it's going to pop up all your gas stations that's nearby. You can actually see there's one right here as well. And then this red button up here, if you ever move your map, all you got to do is just press this red button right here. It's going to take you right back to where you're supposed to be at. Now your menu, you can also look at your traffic routes, so you can see where construction's at and everything. It'll actually show you different routes to get to places, so that way you don't hit a whole bunch of construction. Don't have to actually go out of your way too much, but you can actually get to your place that you're wanting to go to in a very good amount of time. You can also save everything the way you have it set up. Go to navigation settings to go pull up your display and everything. You can actually choose what you want displayed and what you don't want to display. If you want miles, kilometers, you can actually change that here as well. And then it's going to all save the way you want it to save. You can press back here. Now you're back to this home screen again. You can actually hit this button here. It's going to go up, and it's going to keep going north, southeast. It's going to show you different directions as well, so you can actually choose which way you're wanting to look. And then this button here, you can turn up your navigation volume. You can just click on it here. Or you can press mute, and now you don't have to listen to navigation at all. That's a quick way for you to take a look at the 2020 Kia models that have navigation equipped with them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you come see me at the 826 East Lewis and Clark Parkway. My name is Andrew Cunningham. That's a good deal.